Let's get ready for the weekend! Namaste! Welcome, gentlemen. It's Anita Tadavarthi. I'm a licensed acupuncturist for the past 20 years. I've also treated over 100,000 patients in my lifetime. Today, I want to share with you something simple you can do a couple of days before you go away for the weekend. A week or two ago, I did a similar video and you all loved it, so I wanted to do a permutation of that video to help you along the way. If this is the type of content you want to know more about, please comment down below. If there's other things you want to know more about, please comment down below. So often in clinic, what I see with my patients is that they struggle with erectile dysfunction, struggling with having that firmness and duration in the bedroom. And I get it. You want to rendezvous and you want to go away for the weekend. And so a lot of patients, they not only work with their medical doctor, as you should. The other thing is patients ask me what they can do to help them to have that firmness and duration. There is a drink that I want to share with you. And this drink, some of my patients do it a few cups, few days leading up to their special event. And also, this is such a good drink that you can use daily. And a lot of my patients do drink it daily for many other health benefits. These benefits include helping with opening the blood vessels, helping with blood circulation everywhere, including to the genitalia. This drink specifically I use for just wellness, and it gives me great energy, which I notice within 45 minutes of drinking this drink. It also can protect the blood vessels. Super simple. What I like to do is I like to take a base of green tea, and in about 8 to 12 ounces of green tea, add a scoop of beetroot powder into the green tea. And then we are going to mix it really well. I like to sip on this throughout the day. It gives me great energy. And if you are someone who wants to rendezvous with your lady friend over the weekend, consider drinking this daily and consider drinking a few cups throughout the day, a few days leading up to your special event. If you are a pregnant lady, do consult with your medical doctor as to how many cups of green tea you can drink. But generally, beetroot is recommended when you are pregnant. With that, let us know if this works for you. And if there's other topics you want to know more about, do comment down below. Do check in with your medical doctor. If you want a consultation with me, it's the 4th link in the link tree up above. And if you're a lady, go check us out on TikTok and Instagram. Really great women's health there. Whether you're getting a consultation from me, watching us here on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, all the monetization money is going towards a future free clinic in my hometown of Washington, D.C. If you want to give a donation, it's the first link in the description and the first link in the link tree. Till next time, thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and I wish you all the best from your friend and acupuncturist, Anita Tadavarthi.
We would like to thank Anita's friends and business contacts who donated their time, money, and medical supplies to the Rape Relief Free Clinic.
We're here in my grandfather's marriage hall, which is now being converted into our clinic or free hospital. We have been here for 4 months, and we have treated about 1,000 patients with over 8,000 or 9,000 patient visits. Most of the patients are farmers and agricultural workers, so a lot of the things that they're dealing with is pains, lots of different types